Good morning, everybody. Scrapping with Grandpa. What's next? Yes, I'm in a hospital room. Yes, I just recorded my intro off my TV. I'm in the hospital room. Why? If you're a subscriber of mine, you've probably heard me talking about my peripheral arterial disease. Well, it's real, and it's a tough thing to deal with. I went and had some things done, some tests ran, and because I was having a really hard time walking, guys, and you've probably seen that on a few of my videos and me talking about it. Well, I guess I was just done about it and decided, you know what, it's time to go to the hospital or the doctors, see what the heck is going on, because it's getting harder and harder for me to get around. So I did, and we did some scans, we did some tests, and what we found out was that my iliac, starts with an I, my iliac artery on my right leg was way worse than what we thought. We have 100% blockage, guys, 100%. Not what I was hoping for, but anyways, tomorrow morning, Monday at 6 a.m., the doctor is going to be coming to get me and bringing me down for pre-op. So surgery should be starting tomorrow morning at 7:15. So what we found out was we had 100% blockage on the right side and we had 50% blockage on the left side. It's never good, never good. So now I guess we all know why I was having such a hard time walking. So the plan is bypass surgery. We was hoping that we could go in and do the rotor-rooter thing. I don't know if you've ever heard of that before, where they go in and they take this camera and this needle and they go down and rotor-rooter. If you've never seen that before, you can look it up, rotor-rooter of veins. Anyways, we realized that, you know what, it's way past that. Can't do it. So bypass was the next option. So tomorrow morning, 7:15, I'll be undergoing bypass surgery on my iliac artery. It's a big operation. It is a big operation, actually. What happens with that is they start somewhere around here with a knife. They start somewhere around here and they cut you from here all the way down here, somewhere around there. And then they make a couple of incisions here on the two groin sides, which I've already had a similar operation where they tried to scrape my arteries, and he cut me down there already before. The operation was not successful. So we decided that we're going to do a replacement. So I'm not sure if they're harvesting the vein from my chest or where exactly that vein is coming from. I don't think it's one of them pig vein things. But tomorrow morning is the day, guys, and it's kind of a long recovery. That's one of the reasons why I didn't really want to go that route. I was hoping that the rotor-rooter thing would be the better option, because I could literally be back to work within 24 to 48 hours, and that was what we expected until he went in there. He cut me the other day right down here, and he made an incision. He put a camera in there, and he said, nope, can't do it. Can't do it. So he drawed it out and said, okay, next step. So he said if I didn't want to lose my leg, and I do not want to lose my leg, the next step would be bypass. So not something that I'm absolutely looking forward to. Well, I kind of am, but I'm not, because it is a long recovery. Months, actually, even possibly 2, maybe even 3 months. So if you guys will bear with me, what I'm going to try to do, so what I'll be trying to do is I'll get maybe Paul and either Mr. Bill or Billy to come help me on my honey hole pickups. I'll get my sister Hilda to come over to my house and maybe do some micro scrapping with me, some small stuff, help me move things around so we can micro scrap it maybe on the bench. I won't be able to do a whole lot of walking around or doing much of anything. So if you're a new subscriber, thank you. And what I want to say is If I'm not putting out many videos, which I'm not, I'll put out a video a day. If you're a subscriber of mine, you know that. So what I'm gonna ask you to do, if you're a new subscriber or even an older subscriber, go back and watch some of the videos that you haven't seen before you subscribe to my channel. Because I have a bunch of them. I mean, I have a bunch of videos out there, and if you just will watch some of my older videos, that'll kind of help keep my channel alive, and because YouTube likes channels to get views, obviously, because that's how they make money. YouTube makes money off of channels that get views. So if I'm not getting any views, YouTube's not making any money, and Grandpa's not making any money. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to update everybody, since there's a lot of people out there that don't know what's going on. Now, although if you're a subscriber of mine, that we actually text back and forth, I have texted and let most people know that I am going to be having this surgery. And I've had a lot of prayers and well wishes. So if that's the case, thank you, and I appreciate you. And guys, Scrapping with Grandpa, what's next? What's next? What's next? You know the deal. Ring that bell so you're notified next time I put out a video, so you don't miss it. And we'll see you on the next one. All right, guys, peace out and prayers. Lots of prayers. Just remember, Grandpa's not going anywhere. Anywhere. I'll be back. Bigger and stronger than ever, I promise.